Uba M Kharkrang IPS Inspector General of Prison Negasi Ulayo ban pelaj kerpangi ki santali ki kali nagamta ban kit banba ya ki under trial prisoner hakaba ladonlang USP ki East Khasi District uba S Northern Air ban uba Vivek Sim SPCT bat ki he pulit ya ki santali ki kali an sabha ne bentalang sha ki district par ki subdivision ki badon hagajala ki jing IT da uba Kharkrangi ki santali ki kali kalong halo ko nongrim jong ki jing wanra ya ka jingkla hakurkom trekam hagi ing bindi ni ki jail lingba ka tanat prison department nalokini ki santli ki kali ka tanat kala pengkre ba kanya troilangru ba ke Mikilas State Skill Development Society ka banchim ya ka benta ba kan a ye ke program a jing hi kai ki bakerpang ya ki kodi ki belang up ya ki jing bishar ki kam bamman ki jongki ba ki lale ha ki jing em ha patok nangta ban plela ru ye ki bekin la ha ka banya kilan ila ka met lingba ki jing ila kai ki ba pher Sakawai pat kamar ke ba Kharkrang ulopen pau kolong ba sorkar jela ling ba tanat kalashim ya karai ba kan weng ya ke jingkhapnya jong ke Shlong district jail kalabu ya ka thong nakamta bantai pendap no ya ka Nongstoin district jail kabadon ha West Khasi district bat ban ru ya ka central jail ha ka jaka ka bahe koma artsan ekar hapo New Shlong township Kawai ni kimar ka bakwa ban wanra ki jingkala kalong ban panjung betu naka sorkar jela ban kelano ya ka kerteng jong katnat kata na ka prison department sya ka prisons and correctional services lapen pau ba Kharkrang habai kren Shakilat pathai kubor
Boni go away.
Things that we have done is that we want to change the approach of the prisons department towards the inmates. So now we are trying to reform that and make it a more human approach. So first of all, what we have done is we have set up our motto of the prisons department as changing life through corrective steps or corrective measures. And the second thing is that we have initiated this skill development, and this is with the support of the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society. And they will be starting off with Shillong District Jail, where they will be teaching the inmates in various skills like soap making, tailoring, food processing, agriculture, computer training also. And this is not that has been imposed on the inmates, but we have asked them if they want to be trained in any of the skill development. So we will be willingly impart to them the training, and subsequently also we are also looking at placing them in various employment agencies not after they have left the prisons. And the third thing that we have done is that we are tying up with this Indian Oil Corporation Limited. There's a program called this Parivartanam Prison to Pride, and we will be launching that probably in January 26, where various sports activities will be coaching will be given to all the inmates as per the discipline that they would like to be imparted. And a lot of them have come forward and they said a lot of them they want to be imparted with the various coachings like carom board and football, volleyball, all these kind of things. Not so we are tying up this with this Indian Oil Corporation Limited. And the third thing is that, you know, like what we have done is for any reformation, the first and foremost I feel is that the nomenclature of the department has to also change. So what we have done is we have written to the government to change the name of the prisons department from prisons department to prisons and correctional services. And hopefully government will be coming out with notification. As far as I know, the approval has been given, and shortly they will be coming out with the notification. And another thing that we have done is that now we will be imparting training to our warders and all, and especially because they are the ones who are interacting with the inmates on a daily basis. So we are imparting training to them on behavioral changes towards the inmates. And last of all is that we are coming up with these central prisons in a land which has been allotted to us in the New Shillong Township. There's a land of about 25 acres that has been allotted for us, and shortly we'll be coming up with a master plan on this. So these are the few of the steps that we have taken towards police reforms. It's not that we are making preparation only because of this third wave. This preparation has been going on right from the first time when we were hit by COVID. And a lot of the measures, of course, when things had improved, then we had started to allow the inmates to meet with their relatives, not because it's been a long time that they have not been able to meet up with the relatives. And if things worsen, probably we'll have to close that down also. But the thing is now, one facility that we have given to all the inmates is that they can communicate with their relatives and their loved ones now anytime that they wish to on mobile. If telephone is not working, then definitely on mobile. Long-term basis, I should say, trying to completion of the Nongstoin District Jail and setting up the Central Jail. And these are the long-term measures that we are taking up. But as long till the time that these new jails come up, then we'll have to bear with it. Idea came about, you see, the thing is we wanted to change our perception of jails, you know. And because you see, the thing is most of the time our people inside, they have just, from morning to evening till they go back to their cells, they're literally idle. Okay. And they have nothing to do. And once they leave come out on bail or probably after the conviction, there's nothing, there's no employment opportunities for them. And that is because they have been lingering here for a very, very long time. And so we thought that at least let them have, you know, certain activities which will help them once they come out of the prison. It's very keen on coming out very shortly. And we do hope that it's a matter of time. But of course, building that kind of infrastructure will take quite a long time. And we hope that will come out shortly. But of course, now the first thing that what they have done is that at least the minute we sent a proposal, government has keenly taken up, and they have given us 25 acres of land. So that itself indicates that government is very keen on getting the central jail set up. You see, the thing is, construction work will start only after the master plan has been done. And we had visited these good central jails outside, along with the architects from PWD, Chief Architect PWD, and looking at the good things good practices and the good things that they have over there. And though, of course, we are not going to implement on the scale that they are going, but probably on a smaller scale. The whole idea of having a central jail is that convicts will be separated, segregated from the UTPs.